Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Areeba drawing tutorials. Today we are drawing another simple scenery. So take out your pencil, your drawing paper and your scale and let's draw with me. I'm using a 2HB pencil here and a simple scale. First of all, draw a straight line. Leave some portion in the mid and draw a curvy line on both sides. Now take back the scale and draw a straight line in between that, showing a river passing in between. Now on the upper part of that line, the background, draw a small tree just the way I am drawing. My Pakistani, my Indonesian, my Bangladeshi and my Indian viewers, Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Thanks for watching my videos and I love to read your comments on my videos. Never forget to comment. Please let me know how did you like my drawing and never forget to subscribe. So we are drawing mountains in the back. Just like this, drawing only 2 mountains but big. Taking a sellotape, I'm drawing a sun in between the 2 mountains and showing the rays. I will draw some straight lines in upward direction. It's a beginner's drawing and you can draw it very easily. I hope you like it. Happy Ramadan.